Good morning, students. Lesson number 9, Social Health. Today's subtopic, Social Health and Factors Disturbing the Social Health. Students, before we begin the subtopic, let us think why elders always instruct you to get out of the home, to interact with relatives and others, and play outdoor games, but not to spend time continuously with television, phone, and internet. Why the children of your age are instructed same in each home? Because our lifestyle has been changed to some extent in this age of technology. Each person is busy with own daily routine work and favorite job only. How much is it scientifically correct? Earlier, we have studied the importance of physical health, cleanliness, and staying healthy. However, the concept of health does not end with it only. So, let us study first what is social health. Social health is the ability of a person to establish relationship with other persons. I repeat, social health is the ability of a person to establish relationship with other persons. Ability to change one's own behavior according to changing social conditions is an important characteristic of social health. Various factors like strong personality, having large number of friends and relatives, proper use of time during loneliness and with peer group, trust in others, respect and acceptance for others are important for good social health. So, students, let us study now next concept, factors disturbing the social health. First is mental stress, second addiction, third is incurable diseases, and fourth is excessive use of modern technology. Let us study first factor, mental stress. Competition has increased in opportunities for education, employment and business due to increase in population. Children are facing the problems of loneliness and mental stress due to reasons like nuclear family and parents staying outdoors due to job. There are many bindings on girls and excessive freedom for boys in some families. Boys enjoy the concession from their domestic duties, whereas girls have compulsion for the same on the pretext that should be used to it. Do you see the advertisements about increasing awareness and avoiding the discrimination between girls and boys or sister and brother in same family on choice for fresh and leftover food, learning medium? In society too, adolescent girls have to unnecessarily face the problems like teasing and molestation. Adolescent means younger or teenager, and molestation means sexually abusing a female or child. Girls are facing the problem of stress due to such gender inequality. Nowadays, everyone has to face the stress due to ever increasing disorder, crime, and violence. At the same time, people looking at this as fast and easy way of making money may become space goods and become part of such system. This is the deadly effect of social illness. Space quotes means a person who is blamed for the mistakes or faults of others. Coming to the next factor, that is addiction. Peer group influence is stronger in case of adolescents. Adolescents always prefer the company of friends and follow their good or bad habits instead of following advice of parents and teachers. Children in their early age try upon tobacco, cigarette, gutka, alcoholic drinks, drugs, etc. due to either peer group pressure or symbol of high standard living or as an imitation of elders. However, it may lead to addiction to such deadly substances. Temporarily intoxicating drugs of plant origin and some chemicals may permanently damage the human nervous system, muscle system, heart, etc. Students, intoxicating means to cause someone to lose control of their behavior. Earlier, we have studied the carcinogenic effect of tobacco containing substances on mouth and lungs. Next factor is incurable disease. Factors like ignorance towards the people with incurable disease like AIDS, TB, leprosy, and mental disorders, as well as old persons leads to increase in old age homes, and such factors also may cause harm to social health. Students, have you ever seen the persons inebriated with drugs or liquor? Inebriated means make someone drunk. Loitering on dirty places. Loitering means stand or walk without apparent purpose. Whether such a beautiful condition of most intelligent human being is acceptable? You must have read the news about many deaths due to poisonous liquor. Why does it happen? Liquor is produced from alcohol obtained through fermentation of substances. However, if this process is performed in wrong way, poisonous liquor is produced and proves fatal for many at a time. Efficiency of nervous system, especially brain and liver, as well as lifespan of person decreases due to alcoholism. Brain development in adolescents is hindered due to alcoholism, and thereby ability of memorization and learning becomes slow. Addictive person cannot think rationally. Due to this, the person has to face the social, mental, and familial illness along with physical illness. Students, next factor is communication media and excessive use of modern technology. Nowadays, excessive, unnecessary, and irrational use of modern technology and communication media is becoming a sensitive issue through the viewpoint of social health. Persons spending the time with cell phones for several hours are usually unaware of the surrounding. This is also a sort of addiction and leading to endangering of the social health. Students, now let us listen about effects of unnecessary use of modern technology and communication media. Various physical problems like tiredness, headache, insomnia, forgetfulness, tinnitus, joint pains, and problems in vision may arise due to radiation of cell phones. More serious fact is those radiation penetrate the bones of children more effectively than the bones of adults. Persons continuously using the computers and internet become solitary. They cannot establish harmonious relation with relatives and other members of the society. Habitually, they become self-centered and thereby they may develop problems like autism and selfishness. So students, today I explained you about what is social health, the ability of a person to establish health relationships with other people of the society. Also explained you about factors disturbing the social health, that is mental stress, addiction, incurable disease and excessive use of modern technology. That's all for today. Thank you.